Give it a
Yeah. Baklava.
Yeah.
Sweet as broken dates.
Yeah.
Only for dolphins. Green shit. Millennium thugs. When they landed here, your boy was stranded here, kinda crazy. Started all this shit with just a strand of hair. Me and my wife all night swing from the chandeliers. Fucking acrobatic artistry, bitch, pardon me. You can feel this like some H inside your artery. Give love to the departed, always know they'll be a part of me. On expensive rugs, I spill Chardonnay. My initial script in cursive on the headrest of the bass target seat. Better maintain low tones when you talking to me. Fuck around and get your sea bass smothered. I'll choke you the fuck out like I'm a Diaz brother. Then I'll jump back in the sports car, bumping heavy D. Bitch, I'm very me. Look, it's Bronson smoking drugs under the cherry tree. It's him, baby. Sweetest love. The sweetest love I ever known. Sweetest love. Sweetest love. 20 Kawasaki's looking like wild horses on Stampede. I look like a character that was drawn by Stan Lee. Strength like Sejunas and Vickers, speed of a crackhead. Took 5 minutes to get from here to Baghdad. All around the world I'm known by different names. Never the real one, cause motherfucking shit done changed. Spin a revolver when it's high noon and lift that brain. Baby, just fix the plate up.